Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 1st, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So the euro dollar finally made that push down that I've been forecasting for a few days now. Now, if we either zoom way out on the 1 hour or we go up to a higher time frame, there's two options here. Either we are making a correction to these last five waves up right here, meaning that it would go down to one of these fib levels and potentially end up turning back up, continuing the higher time frame uptrend. But there's also a chance that we could be in a wave two. A wave two would be a correction to the whole move up on the daily, which potentially could put us all the way down into this area. So we might end up having a much bigger correction. This possibly could even stretch out like this, make like a big old wave A, a big wave B, a big wave C, and then several weeks from now end up continuing the uptrend. Now we don't really know whether it's going to be a small ABC correction or whether it's going to be a big ABC correction, but we do know that we are looking for shorts right now. I'm holding on to a short since yesterday. I would be targeting the 38% for a likely area for a bounce, which for me, a bounce is great news because that should give us another opportunity to go short again for the continuation of this move down. If this really does stretch out into that big giant wave A, then we definitely want to continue to look for shorts at the end of any pullbacks we see, hopefully for the continuation of a big old 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down for the wave A. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.